Hi, I'm Monica Bravo. I am a wellness coach, nutrition, and radical life coach. I have helped thousands of women change their mood, their mindset, and their gut. I truly believe that to change your energy and to change your mind, it all begins with how you believe in yourself, right? Number one is believing in yourself. Number two is changing your gut. Number three is really connecting to your higher source. So over the next few days, we're going to go through a 10-day increase your energy and have abundance series. You're going to get daily videos from me. These videos are going to teach you how, as a modern mama, you're going to get your energy back. So I want you to make sure you add my email onto your email list so that you get my daily videos. If you don't open one video, you will not get the rest of the videos. So make sure when you see an email from Monica Bravo, you open it. So don't forget to sign up for this series, 10 ways to get your energy back. I am ready for you to feel balanced, joyful, and energetic again. No more sleeping. I didn't always feel this way. I used to be tired and exhausted, and I had adrenal fatigue and hypothyroidism. I learned how to change my life naturally. And I did this over the process of several years after baby 1, 2, and 3. Yes, now I'm over 40, and I'm feeling great, and I want to teach you how to do that. So tune in, sign up, make sure you invite your friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.